hey.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome back. It's your girl. Let me stop.
Hey, welcome back. It is 𝘗𝘩𝘰𝘵 and we are here with another video. Long overdue. And my 6-week, what? My 6-month anniversary of my locks has passed many days ago. But that's not the point. So I'm actually going to attempt to do 2-strand twists on my locks, and I have about some locks, so that should produce about some twist. I say that because I will actually be doing another video on counting my locks. Okay, let's get into this video.
If I tell the truth about it, if it's not how I want it, it's just how I need it. If it's not how I want it, it's just how I need it. If it's not how I want it, it's just how I need it. If it's not how I want it, it's just how I need it.
This video is sponsored by Greenways Natural, the Moringa shampoo and the Moringa conditioner. I actually have no idea where it is. I think I use it all, but I'm going to be using the Moringa shampoo. It is 100% cruelty-free, 100% vegan/plant-based, and Moringa has so many benefits for you. I actually use it almost daily. I take the Moringa seeds and I'll take the Moringa powder, but even washing it, washing your hair with it, washing your body with Moringa really helps detoxify a lot of the things that are in your body. So the Moringa shampoo helps to normalize oil production, promotes circulation, and supports the health of your hair and scalp on the cellular level. So within the shampoo, there are pure therapeutic care essential oils within there, like jasmine and peppermint, and let me see what else. We got ylang ylang, we have, I still don't know how to pronounce that video. I still don't know how to pronounce that that essential oil. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll link up to the video where I did not know how to pronounce it. I'll be shampooing my hair with this, but what I'm first gonna do is I'm going to come back with my boy Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. I'm gonna be rinsing my hair with this. I was gonna use the hemp and rose, but I haven't washed my hair in a couple of weeks, so I think this will give it a really great scrub, especially for the peppermint. And then I'm gonna go in with my Moringa shampoo, and I have so many different products. And then I'm gonna go in with, my mom got this from CVS. It works really well. I use a leave-in conditioner. Acondicionador suavizante de keratina smoothing conditioner, maybe. But I'm gonna get started with those, and then I'm gonna come back and meet you here or maybe somewhere else and start twisting my hair. All right, so I want to do my hair at a 3/4 part because that's how my loctician styled my hair or locked my hair. And I'm going to be using my rubber bands. I just got these yesterday, so hopefully, I don't know what I'm doing. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing, and I just hope that it works out well. Rat tail comb, my rubber bands, couple of these clips, a couple of black clips because black clips matter, and then I'm going back with my ancient Greek remedy oils, and whenever my hair gets dry, I'm just going to use a little bit of my rose water oil / mixture. And I don't think that you have to dry your hair afterwards. I really don't know. I don't know how long this is going to take, so you'll most likely see by this clock. It's not 11:13 there. And you know what? It's okay. I'm gonna start from the back, and I know that what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to twist them how your loctician twisted it, and or like by retwisting it, and then when you're making the twist, you twist it the opposite way in order for it to actually look right. So without further ado, I don't even know what that means. Without further ado, anyways, let's get started. This row here.
Yeah.
It was my first time.
You do all this yourself?
Yes. You talking about like editing and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you just show the camera your
Yes.
Wow.
I did it before.
You're so YouTube.
I am not YouTube. Have you seen my videos?
Yeah, I have.
I'm not YouTube.
The world's I be hers and she will be mine. Damn, them the kind of vibes I need in my life. Them late nights beside the pool, baby, believe me, it's nice. Cause see, tonight we may be chilling. One day I stack $1 million. Remember, keep it 100. Don't play with these feelings. Let's do it. You feel that vibe, don't you? I just wanna vibe out with y'all tonight. Let y'all know where I'm coming from. One more time. It just feels so lovely, don't it? This shit feel like, you know what I'm saying? A late summer evening. We chillin'. Let's do it. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Now wave them. Let's go. Put your hands up. I said, put your hands up. Just put your hands up. Like this. Like, one time. 2 times. We gets down.
Summertime, it was the best time, and it was the worst time. But we had fun though. Kicking it, chilling, vibing, wildin', the vibe, you know.
Wake up, pick my hair out, wash my face, get ready for the day. Watch the birds fly by. Open my eyes.
So I finished my hair, and I think you can see it better. I think I'm going to do these two to the side like this. Yeah, and then I'm gonna tie it down because it kind of looked a little off with them just up here like that. But I don't know. This is the end of the video. I'm going to show you the back. Took me like 2 days to do it. So 2 days, about 5 hours. So I took a break between homework. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Click the subscribe button if you want to be a part of the Joshua and Star family, and click the bell if you want to be a part of the notification gang. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I love you. Blessings upon you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
But who isn't? I talk about people, I talk a lot. Get into situations cause of my mouth. But what can I say? This is my life, I live it every